Hi sis, please send me the prompt you used to generate this image. Hi Awele, please can I know the prompt? Hi Awele, share the prompt with me. Calm down. Your AI queen is here for you. Hi guys, welcome to another demo video on how I use AI tools. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate stunning images without begging anyone for prompts. So whenever I come across any image I like and I want to recreate, this is what I do. For the purpose of this video, let's recreate this image I found on Pinterest. So I took a screenshot and went straight to ChatGPT and said, give me a prompt that can recreate this image but keep my own face unchanged. I copied the prompt and then I moved over to Google Gemini. I activated the create image feature, that's what we know as Nano banana, right? I uploaded my picture as a reference, I pasted in the prompt and let it generate. Now for this particular look, I tweaked the outfit color from olive green to white because I felt white suited my skin better. And that's the fun of it. You can tweak it as much as you like. You can change the colors, add accessories, or even switch up the background. So while we're waiting for the image to generate, I'm hosting a class where I'll be teaching exactly how to do this, how to prompt better, how to write better content with AI, and how to monetize your skills. This class is one you don't want to miss. Slots are getting filled already. Register now. Alright, let's check on an image. Wow! Guys, this is what we have. Amazing, right? You know the first image without accessories and I asked it to add accessories. And this is the final look. What do you think about this image? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to register for this class, okay? See you there. Bye!